Morning, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about the total miscellaneous problems. Today, now we are going to some special problems. Those problems coming in the previous fast CBSE examination point of view. Now, okay. Now we are going to the first problem. For suppose I is equal to integral 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx, my dear students. Integral 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Okay. Now here apply the formula 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, my dear students. Now 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to f of a minus x dx. Instead of x you write a minus x. Now write down that is equal to 0 to pi. What is the value of x? Pi minus x into sin of pi minus x by 1 plus cos square of pi minus x dx, my dear students. Okay. Now 0 to pi minus x sin of 180 minus theta sin theta by 1 plus, actually cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but whole square is there, that is why positive. That is equal to separation 0 to pi sin x in the numerator minus x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay. Now separation is going on, that is equal to integral 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx minus integral 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Observe this total value is I from this one. Okay, my dear students. What happened this one? This is minus I, means this is total value minus I, this side is 2I. 2I is equal to, or adding 1 and 2, this one cancel, no problem at all. Okay, pi is outside, 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now sin x by 1 plus cos square x, what happened here? Suppose let cos x is equal to t minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now we change the limits also. Whenever we will substitute the another variable, 100% we will change also limits. Now for suppose x value is equal to lower limit, x value is equal to 0, that implies t is equal to cos 0 means 1, x value is equal to pi, that means t is equal to 100% cos pi means minus 1, that is equal to I is equal to pi into, okay my dear students, pi into, what happened this one? Minus 1, here 1 2 minus 1, sin x dx means minus dt by 1 plus t square. Okay. For suppose to remove this minus means interchange the lower and upper limits, that is equal to pi into minus 1 to 1 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay. Now pi into, what is this? Tan inverse of t, limits minus 1 to 1, pi into upper limit tan inverse of 1 minus lower limit tan inverse of minus 1. Therefore 2I is equal to pi into tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4 minus into tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse, that is already minus means plus pi by 4. Okay, that is equal to pi into 2 pi by 4, that is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is equal to pi square by 2. Therefore 2I is equal to pi square by 2. Therefore I is equal to pi square by 4. Very important problems, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. that is integral 0 to pi by 2 x into sin x into cos x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. This is very important problem, my dear students. Please practice thoroughly. Okay. Now same formula we will apply. That equal to 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. 100%. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. That is equal, I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 2, instead of x you write a minus x, means pi by 2 minus x, sin of pi by 2 minus x, cos of pi by 2 minus x by sin power 4 pi by 2 minus x plus cos power 4 pi by 2 minus x dx. Sin of 90 minus theta cos of 90 minus theta sin theta, integral 0 to pi by 2. This is pi by 2 minus x into cos x into sin x by sin x, means you write the cos x, no problem, sin x plus cos x, both are there. Okay, sin power 4x plus cos power 4x, 90 means no problem at all. Now separation is going on, integral 0 to pi by 2, separation means this one into this one and this one, pi by 2 into sin x cos x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x dx minus x cos x sin x, means x sin x cos x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x dx. What are the limits is going on? 0 to pi by 2. This value is I. Okay, minus of is there, this value, total value is I, minus I this side is 2i. 2i is equal, in this one pi by 2 is the constant, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x into cos x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now before yesterday I explained this problem, sin x cos x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. Okay, before you once see the video, again I will explain this one is another model. Here cos power 4x is there, sin x into cos, the numerator denominator is divided with or multiplying the nr and dr multiplying with secant power 4x. Okay, my dear students, what happened? This is equal pi by 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos x into secant power 4x by, here sin power 4 by cos power 4, multiply means that one, that is equal tan power 4x plus here cos power 4 into secant power 4, 1 here dx. Now numerator will be write as pi by 2 into 0 to pi by 2. This is 1 by cos power 4, 1 cos cancel, sin by cos tan, remaining secant square x is there. 1 by cos power 4, 1 cos cancel, cos cube is there, cos cube means cos x into cos square x, sin by cos tan, okay, tan x into secant square x by, now write as tan square x whole square plus 1 dx. Now here tan square x is equal to tan square x is equal to 2 tan x into secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay, my dear students, this is value is 2i. Okay, 2 tan x. Now tan x into secant square x dx is equal to how much? dt by 2. Now this is equal pi by 2 into limits you write, x value 0 means tan 0 100%, 90 means 100%, tan 90 is infinity square means infinity, tan x into secant square x means dt by 2 by, this is t square plus 1 means 1 plus t square. Okay, my dear students, that is equal pi by 4, 2 into 2 pi by 4, integral of 1 by 1 plus t square, that is equal tan inverse of t. What are the limits? 0 to infinity, pi by 4 into tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of 0, that equal pi by 4 into tan inverse of infinity means pi by 2 minus 0, that equal how much? Pi square by 8 this one. Total value is this one is 2i. 2i is equal to pi square by 8. Now I is equal to how much? Pi square by 16, my dear students. In this way we will complete the problems. Okay, next we are going to one special property, my dear students. For suppose property, this is also very important. Whenever the means okay, I will explain later. If f of x is a continuous function in minus a comma a, then integral minus a to a f of x. Already before I explained, whenever we get minus a to a, compulsory you have to check the even and odd functions. Whenever we get the limits minus a to a, it is a even or odd functions. Some cases minus a to a f of x dx. Already before what I am told means whenever the limits is minus a to a, compulsory will check the f of x is even or odd function. If f of x is odd function, answer must be is equal to 0. For suppose in this case the function is neither even nor odd, means compulsory in this one exponential functions is given. Exponential function is neither even nor odd. How to check? For suppose exponential function f of x is equal to e power x, that equal to f of minus x is equal to e power minus. How to say that? Not that is exponential functions are neither even nor odd. That's why whenever in the given interval the limits are minus a to a and the f of x functions is given, you will write in this way, that is equal to 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx, my dear students. Minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a, not minus, 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. Okay. Now one important question is there. Now we are going to the another question, that is evaluate I is equal to integral minus pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Okay, you remember that formula, my dear students. Above formula compulsory you remember. What is it going on? F is continuous 100%, that is equal to, okay, f is equal to, I hope that is equal to this one. Okay, now we are going to the problem. What is the problem? Integral minus pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x. Here cos x compulsory, whenever limits is given even or odd, but here cos x is even function, but total function you observe that here e power x is there, but neither even nor odd. Okay, that's why the formula is this formula. In 0 to f of x means this one. Here f of minus x, instead of x we write minus x. Limits 0 to a, 0 to a means 0 to pi by 2. Okay, my dear students, that equal integral 0 to pi by 2 f of x plus this one, that is cos x by 1 plus e power x plus cos of minus x by 1 plus e power minus x into dx, by using this formula. Don't confuse. 0 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x, cos of minus theta cos theta, cos x by 1 plus e power minus x means 1 by e power x dx. Now LCM is e power x plus 1, denominator e power x, numerator. Write the numerator, 0 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x plus e power x into cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Now taken common, 0 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x taken common out. What happened? 1 plus e power x. 1 plus e power x, 1 plus e power x cancel. 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. What is the integral of cos x? Sin x. Limits 0 to pi by 2. Okay, my dear students. Now upper limit sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. Sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. 1 minus 0, that equal to 1. Okay, 1 only. Therefore I is equal to 1. Okay, my dear students. In this way we will complete the Okay, my dear students, we are going to next problem, that is minus 1 to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Okay, my dear students, minus 1 to 3 by 2 modulus of x into sin pi x. The product of the two functions are there. Here sin x is there. Whenever it is 0 means x value 0, 0. Sin pi x is equal to 0, where x is equal to 100% n pi. Okay, my dear students. For suppose here already I am explaining, that is first in which interval minus 1 to here. For suppose 3 by 2 is there here, for suppose 0 is there, for suppose here minus 1 is there, here 3 by 2 is there. In between 3 by 2 means 1.5, 1 is also there, no problem. Because why I am taking minus 1 to 1 means 100% the sign is maximum at 1, minimum at minus 1. Now 100% you will take the values in between minus 1 and 3 by 2 only. Okay. Now here minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1. What about this interval? Minus 1 to 3 by 2, 0 is included, 1 is included. Now minus 1 to 0, what happened this one? 0 to 1, what happened this one? 1 to 3 by 2, what happened this one? Okay, my dear students. First suppose what I am telling you, here angle is the sin pi x. For suppose minus x, these are the x values. For suppose what? Minus 1 to 0 means x 100% negative. For suppose x value, this is the x value, minus 1 less than x less than 0. Okay, my dear students. Now this x value is this one, negative 100%. Minus 1 to 0 means all negative, but we want the sin pi x value. What happened? Now multiplying with pi x. Okay, my dear students. Now first multiplying with means pi x means pi minus pi less than pi x less than 0. Okay, my dear students. Means this pi x value, what is the pi x value? Minus pi. Here for suppose the 4 coordinates are there. You are counting in the anti-clockwise direction 0 to pi. Whenever this is called 0 to minus pi, 0 to minus pi means this one, 0 to minus pi, third and fourth coordinate. In the means clockwise direction, 0 to minus pi means third and fourth coordinate. Third and fourth coordinate must and should sign is positive or negative. That implies sin pi x is must and should negative. I hope that you understood or not. Here pi x value, where you will take minus 1 to 0, that is negative value, multiplying with pi x. Here pi x, what about 100% pi x? Discuss about the pi x. Pi x means minus pi to 0. Minus pi to 0 means the angle will calculate in the clockwise direction, means 0 to minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2, pi means third and fourth coordinate. Third and fourth coordinate must and should sign compulsory negative, that is sin pi x. X here, x into sin pi x, x is negative, sin pi x is negative, negative into negative 100% positive. Therefore x into sin pi x is greater than 0. Here x is negative 100%, sin pi x is negative, negative into negative 100% positive, means here positive. Now observe that 0 to 1, what happened? Now 0 less than x less than 1, here 0 to 1. Now multiplying with pi x, that implies 0 into pi 0, pi x less than pi. Here pi x lies between 0 to pi. 0 to pi means in first and second coordinate. First and second coordinate must and should sign positive. Sign positive, that is sin pi x positive. Here x positive, sin positive. Therefore x into sin pi x is 100% positive. This is also positive, and means minus 1 to 1 it is positive. Next 1 to 3 by 2. 1 to 3 by 2 must and should, okay, x value positive, 1 less than x less than 3 by 2. Now multiplying with pi, pi x means pi, pi less than pi x less than 3 pi by 2, my dear students. Pi to 3 pi by 2. Pi to 3 pi by 2 means this is third coordinate. In the third coordinate, what about sign? Sin pi x is less than 0. This is positive, this is negative. What happened? X into sin pi x, 100% is less than 0. I hope that you understood or not? Yes, this is negative. Now what are the positive limits? Here minus 1 to 3 by 2 means minus 1 to 1 positive, means you will take the positive. 1 to 3 by 2 100% you will take the negative. Okay, now I is equal to, carefully we will do. Okay, now I am writing minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1 we will take 100% positive, that is x sin pi x dx. Next 1 to 3 by 2 means negative, we will take minus 1 to 3 by 2 means x sin pi x dx. Here observe that whenever minus 1 comma 1, it is even or odd function. Whenever it, for suppose odd means answer is 0. Here for suppose you write, okay, x, f of x is equal to x into sin pi x. For suppose minus x, here sin of minus theta means plus. This is minus means plus. This is even function. Even function means how to write even function? 2 into 0 to 1 x into sin pi x minus 1 to 3 by 2 x into sin pi x dx. Here two functions are there, integration, isolate, okay, by parts, isolate, inverse algebraic, isolate, L-A-T-E, algebraic trigonometry. This is f of x, this is g of x, okay my dear students, f of x, g of x. Okay, what happened? 2 into, slowly we will do, first f of x into, what is the integral of sin pi x? Means minus cos pi x by pi minus integral of derivative of x means 1, integral of sin pi x means minus cos, already here minus is there, plus cos pi x by pi. Okay my dear students, now I am writing, no problem. After that I will write the 0 to into dx. Here minus, here this is enough. In the same way here also same function, limits will be changed. Okay, now here minus of minus x cos pi x by pi, okay, plus 100% same way, plus here limits 0 to 1, here also 0 to 1. Okay, here limits changes, what is 1 to 3 by 2, what happened this one, cos pi x by pi dx. Okay my dear students, next now 2 into, what happened this one, minus x cos pi x by pi, 1 by pi cos pi integral cos pi x means sin pi x by pi, already pi is there, plus sin pi x by pi square, limits, total limits 0 to 1. Okay, minus of minus x cos pi x by pi plus sin pi x by pi square. What are the limits? 1 to 3 by 2 here. Integration is over. Now substitute the upper limit. What happened upper limit? Now upper limit is 1, we will write the 1 upper limit, minus x cos pi by pi plus 1 by pi square sin pi x, minus of minus x by cos pi x plus 1 by pi square sin pi x. Okay, now upper limit, you substitute the upper limit, 2 into, upper limit is 1 minus 1, here cos pi is minus 1 means 1 by pi plus lower limit is 100%, what happened lower limit, here sin pi means 0 by something 0, lower limit 100% here, 0 and something 0, sin 0 is 0. Okay, this value is 2 by 1 pi only, total this value is 2 by 1 pi only. Okay my dear students, now minus of, here upper limit is 3 by 2, so here pi x. Okay my dear students, upper limit is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into cos pi into 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2 0, 100% this value is 0, sin x 3 pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 2 is 100% minus 1, okay, minus 1 by pi square. Okay, pi into 3 pi by 2, that is 3 pi by 2 minus 1 by pi square. This is upper limit is cancelled, minus lower limit. Lower limit is here 1, we will take 1. Lower limit means here we will take 1, means minus 1, cos pi means minus 1, that is 1 by pi plus 100%, this is 0. Okay, already we seen, that equal 2 by pi, minus into minus plus 1 by pi square, here minus into minus plus 1 by pi, that is equal to 3 by pi plus 1 by pi square. This is I value. In this way we will do the problems. Very easy, my dear students. Go through in this way. Okay. Okay, my dear students. In this way we will do the problems. The maximum, I think all problems I was explained. Okay, please practice each and every question. Okay, without negligency. Thank you, one and all. Tomorrow I will start the applications of the definite integral. That means areas. Okay, my dear students. Thank you, one and all.